What if you could unlock luxury 4-star hotels for the exact same price you'd normally pay for a budget hotel down the street? It sounds like a pipe dream, but it happens every single day. The truth is, the travel industry runs entirely on dynamic pricing algorithms, meaning hotel room rates behave exactly like the stock market. They fluctuate constantly based on hidden data points. If you just go to a standard booking site on your computer and hit reserve, you are automatically paying the highest possible retail markup. Today, we are changing that. Welcome to my Travel Pal. We're here to give you tons of tips and tricks for getting the most out of your travel plans. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Today, we are breaking down 5 legitimate, algorithm-backed travel hacks that major hotel chains absolutely do not want you to know. Let's completely hack your next stay. Hack number 1. The app-only discount loophole. Think about how you usually plan a vacation. Most travelers do their heavy research on a laptop or desktop computer because it's easier to view multiple tabs. But booking platforms like Expedia, Agoda, and Booking.com are acutely aware of this behavior, and they also know you carry your smartphone everywhere. To capture high-intent, on-the-go buyers who might be booking last minute or scrolling on their couch, these platforms routinely hide deep mobile-only discounts of 10 to 20%. This isn't just a marketing gimmick. It is an entirely separate pricing tier. Next time you find a perfect 4-star property on your desktop browser, do not click buy. Pull out your phone, download that platform's dedicated app, and search for the exact same property and dates. You will almost always see an automatic price drop for the exact same room, entirely bypassing the desktop retail price. Hack number 2. Exploit and decode blind booking platforms. Sites like Hotwire and Priceline have hidden sections called Express Deals or Hot Rates. This is where luxury 4-star properties secretly drop their prices by up to 50 or 60%. The catch? They hide the hotel's actual name until after you pay, because they don't want to ruin their premium brand image or anger guests paying full price. But here is the insider trick to unmasking them before spending a dime. When you see a mystery deal, look at 3 highly specific data points provided: the exact mapped neighborhood boundary, the precise TripAdvisor review score, like a 4.4 out of 5, and the unique list of amenities, like a rooftop lounge or valet parking. Simply open a second browser tab, set the filters to match that exact neighborhood, star rating, and amenities list, and look for the hotel with that exact review score. 9 times out of 10, you will pin down the exact luxury hotel before clicking buy, netting a 4-star room at a 2-star rate. Hack number 3. The geolocation pivot. This is where we really start playing the algorithm at its own game. Hotel booking engines dynamically change room rates based on the geographic location and average purchasing power of the country you are browsing from. A user searching from a wealthy zip code in New York City is often shown a higher base rate than someone searching from elsewhere. Want to try it out? Look no further than NordVPN. Check out the links in my description for some exclusive deals. NordVPN has established itself as a leading VPN service provider. Not only that, it is also considered the fastest VPN in the market. NordLink's protocol offers blazing speeds and unlimited bandwidth. Don't forget they offer antivirus features too. Before you book, clear your browser cookies and cache entirely, or open a fresh incognito window. Then fire up NordVPN and set your location to either a lower income country or, interestingly, the destination country itself. If you are booking a hotel in Colombia, look at the prices while routed through a Colombian server. The algorithm often shifts its pricing structure to appeal to local domestic travelers, dropping the base rate significantly for the exact same luxury suite. Hack number 4. The direct match guarantee. Third-party aggregators like Expedia or Booking.com take a massive 15 to 25% commission cut straight out of the hotel's pocket for every single reservation. Independent and boutique 4-star hotels absolutely despise this fee. When you find an incredible deal on an aggregator site, do not book it there. Instead, open a new tab, find the hotel's official website, and locate their direct email address or phone number. Send them a quick note saying, "Hi, I see your room's listed on Expedia for $120 tonight, but I would love to book directly with you if you can match that rate or offer an incentive." Because they instantly save on the platform's massive commission fee, the hotel will almost always enthusiastically match the price. Our final hack today is number 5. Leveraging the Sunday night business slump. High-end 4-star properties located in major metropolitan areas, like London, Tokyo, or New York, make their primary revenue from corporate business travelers. These travelers check in on Monday morning on the company dime and fly home by Friday afternoon. This creates a massive vacancy dead zone every single Sunday night, right when weekend leisure tourists have checked out and corporate travelers haven't yet arrived. Because an empty room loses 100% of its value the moment the sun sets, 4-star business hotels aggressively slash their Sunday night rates to absolute rock-bottom prices just to get heads in beds. If you can shift your vacation schedule from a Friday to Sunday stay to a Saturday to Monday stay, you can experience elite 4-star luxury for absolute pennies. Stop overpaying for basic travel experiences when luxury is entirely within your reach if you just play the algorithm correctly. Don't forget to check out the verified, budget-friendly 4-star hotel links in the description below to secure your next luxury stay for cheap. If you want to keep traveling smarter and more luxuriously without breaking the bank, smash that subscribe button for my travel pal right now. Also, make sure to check out our latest YouTube shorts for quick, 30-second rapid-fire travel hacks dropping all week long. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more secrets, and as always, safe travels.